Ever wonder how you can set yourself apart from the competition? If so, I have a suggestion for you. Join me in a class that will teach you the most powerful skills in business. Thousands of students have taken the class and have this to say about it. It provided life-changing info. The class was totally engaging with knowledge that can be used daily. It encompasses all industries, not just real estate. The information I learned about etiquette, social and cultural impressions, and my own personality is beyond useful and most appreciated. I feel like I could take this class every 6 months as a refresher, and it would seem that I got the best class ever. The class is called Success Through Business Etiquette. In this low-stress and engaging class, you'll spend time learning about you as a professional and what steps to take to present yourself as an even better professional. You'll learn how to use etiquette at any table to increase your confidence and gain that competitive edge. You'll also learn how to improve communication and build relationships by learning more about cultural mannerisms and your personality. You'll learn about time management and organization, dress for success, body language, strengthening people skills, and presentation skills. You'll even learn how to be more confident in networking opportunities and so much more. Plus, you'll have fun and leave with a renewed sense of motivation to build your business of your dreams. If you are ready to set yourself apart from the competition, enroll today in this class. Please join me for the next Success Through Business Etiquette class in your area. Go to championschool.com or see a career counselor right now and register for Success Through Business Etiquette. I look forward to seeing you.